handling data hazards. Don't read wrong values at the first place. Avoid doing mistakes in sort stall. Fixing the wrong value that you have. Rectify your mistake if you don't done forwarding. Stall-based solution. Again there are two ways, namely hardware based and software based solutions. Hardware solutions just stall and read correct values. We will take by default read plus write in the right phase. Clock 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on time. R2 R3 hash 10 is equals to code fetch decode compute memory right. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది R2 R3 R9 తర్వాత సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్లో R9 R2 వాడినాం. R2 అక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దాని తర్వాత టూ స్టాల్స్ అది కంప్లీట్ అయ్యే 2 స్టాల్స్ దగ్గర వెయిట్ చేస్తూ మళ్ళా ఇంకొక దగ్గర వెయిట్ చేసినాం. Software solution in hardware solutions is responsible of hardware to introduce still, whereas in the software is compiler or system responsibility. Here the system implies put non-stop instruction telling nothing to introduce the shell. I1 add R2 and R3 hash 100. అప్పుడేముంది I1 వచ్చేసి add R2 plus R3 R2 plus R3 hash 100 and NOPs తర్వాత 4 ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ వరకు NOPs 5 ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ కాడ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ద R9 R2 hash 30 ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. ఆపరెండా ఫార్వర్డింగ్ క్లాక్ సైకిల్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ టైం అయిపోయే వరకు పెరిగి యాడ్ R2 R3 hash 100 FDSMW subtract R9 R2 plus hash 30 FDCMW. We connect output of ALU to input of ALU so that it can be used by upcoming instructions who wants to use them cycle and so on time. Load R2 R3 and fetch data operand system. Subtract R9 R2 hash 30 FD stall wait చేస్తాం కాబట్టి CMW. Figure style needed to be enable forwarding or an instruction that follows a load instruction. War WAN hazards and register remaining. Superscalar systems, you can stimulate fetch many instructions and simultaneous can do IDEX MMWB. Instruction 1 R1 uses R2 plus R3. Instruction 3 R5 uses R1 plus R4. Instruction R5 is R6 plus R6 never creates any stall in simple in order pipeline, but in care of superscalar. Here instruction 1 instruction 2 have raw dependency, thus in instruction 1 instruction 2 raw dependency on the thus a superscalar approach I2 states in ID phase, whereas both instruction 1 and instruction 3 to X phase. Thus final R5 will be written by 12 instructions, which is false because R3 should write. Thus all dependencies creates a problem in superscalar system. But all var and rar can be eliminated completely, while raw still remains problem. Eliminating raw and var, never write in a same register, just do the remaining.